Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get into the other temple, which is the underground, I forgot what it's called, but it's like next to the other temple, the sacred temple. Basically, to go in, you're going to wait for it to be nighttime, which is right about now. And it's called the underground cellar, and there's a few obbies that you have to go to and you'll reach the fishing place. I do want to go out again, so I'm just going to go out because this is not the most important area to fish. I just go there when there's like a quest that requires me to go there for the jungle event quest here. But basically, it only opens at nighttime and it only opens at night. So if you're there until the day, you'll still be there fishing, but you cannot go out of the door. You can respawn your character, but it will take you out of the island, of course, and bring you back to the main area. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can go to the underground cellar. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.